Hi guys, going through my stock. I was going to say junk, but yeah, going through my stock of stuff. Found this little fella. Clearly, I've modified it for an external battery. So I am guessing that originally it had rechargeable, probably NiCads in there from those two contacts there. That would be the charging port. The on-off switch is missing, so I guess I bypassed that. Oh, that was the right way up. CharG something or other. Road Rally Team. It doesn't have steering, but what it does have is when you go forwards and backwards, forwards it goes straight forwards, but the wheels go different directions for steering. If that makes any sense, I will demonstrate in a second. I've managed to find a transmitter controller that it talks to. Is that 1992? Yeah, 1992 Tommy or Tommy, depending on how you like to pronounce it. There will be a video in my archives of this and whatever I did to modify it, so I'll find it and put it in the video description. But I'll just put a battery on there and give it a little run round. Right, looks like it talks to this one. Forwards. Backwards it turns, which is what I was saying. Forwards. So that takes a bit of getting used to try and get it in the right direction. No. That'll do. And clearly it does wheelies. Whether that's because I've got the battery right at the back or whether it's intended to do that, I don't know. Probably having the battery right at the back is obviously overbalancing it. Changing the centre of gravity. Come on, that's it. Yeah, so that one works, but no way I could give that one to a charity shop in that condition. So that one will go back in the stock. I've just found I've got another one, smaller, but it's still one of the CharG ones. I've written 27 megahertz on there, but I'm trying it and it's not responding to the 27 megahertz controllers that I've got. No. So either I've burnt this one out, or there's a loose wire inside, or or it's dead in some other way. I won't worry about that just now. I'm pretty sure it was working when I had it originally. It may just be the on-off switch is no good. You never know when they're old and corroded. But that's certainly not doing anything. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.